This video will walk you through how to create a sales rep role and create a team member that will be assigned that sales rep role. A sales rep needs to be created for your customer before they can be added to a quote. Sales reps are added as team members. First, let's create the sales rep role. Then we can create a team member and assign them that role. Roles are created in the Role Manager. Go to Settings, Account Setup, Role Manager. Next, we're going to click Add New Role. Next, you're going to want to add a name. So we will put in sales rep. You can put in a description if you would like. And then under permissions, we are going to want to toggle on at a minimum companies, assets, quotes, and contracts. And you'll want to make sure to turn these on in the order in which they're displayed. If you would like a sales rep to only see companies, assets, quotes, and contracts that they are assigned, we can expand a section and you'll see this sales rep button here. So again, this is going to show them only those companies that have been assigned that particular sales rep. Otherwise, by default, they would be able to see all companies. So then I can go ahead and do that for assets and quotes and contracts as well. So again, this isn't a requirement, but if you would like to make that restriction, you can. And we'll provide further training on creating roles in another video. So when you're done, you just want to scroll to the top and hit save. And we've now created the sales rep role. So now we're ready to add a team member and go ahead and assign them that sales rep role. So to do that, we'll go to Settings, Account Setup, Team. So next, we're going to add a team member. So at a minimum, we're going to add the email and the role. So I will add the email first. Then I'll add a first name and a last name. And then for role, we can choose sales rep here. Please note if this particular sales rep needs additional permissions within the system, you can assign them any other role. So for instance, the administrator might have a little bit more functionality and permissions, so you can assign them as administrator, no problems. Regardless of what the role is, as long as they're a team member, you can assign them as a sales rep for a particular company. But in this example, we'll go with sales rep. Next, you can indicate a support partner organization. When you hear the term support partner organization, it's referring to the company the sales rep works for. In this example, the sales rep is employed with the company Rocket, representing the team member's own company. When setting up your environment, you'll want to make sure your own company is set up as an option under support partners. You can watch the Add Support Partners video for more information on how to do this. So in this case, we'll choose Rocket. And then hit save. So now I have created the sales rep role and then created a team member and then assigned them that sales rep role. Later, when you start working with companies and creating quotes, you can assign this particular user as a sales rep and then assign them to a quote as well.